Okay, came here to this project to evaluate the film complaint. The client said that the film doesn't look good. This is Dusted Crystal O2 from SolarGuard. We installed it like a month ago, already received the payment. Now the customer said they don't like it, they don't like the way it looks, although I gave them all the specs and the samples for the film. I was here, meet with the person from the building and show all the samples. They approved it, we installed the film. It took a while to dry because it was winter time. Right behind these doors we have an entrance and obviously it's not heated. And it probably took some time for the film to dry, but as far as I see right now, all nice and good. So let me know what you think. Okay, taking the video of the door. Looks perfectly fine. There's some dirt over here, but this is dirt. Okay, this door, same thing. Looks good. This is some dirt, just needs some cleaning. That's it. Over there, leak behind it, that's on the other side. No streaks, no nothing. This is like a scuff mark, but that's probably somebody rubbed something, but it might be. Yep. No, it's good. It's good. All this is cleanable. Same thing in here. The film looks really, really nice. Okay, this is the other side of the doors. Looking good. No streaks, no nothing. Just fingerprints, some dirt on the bottom from the shoes. That's it. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think about this project. Client requests the money back and I don't know, replace the film or something. I haven't talked to the super yet, but I'm still here waiting for him. And on my opinion, there's nothing wrong with this project. Okay, so let's check if that will disappear, okay?
It doesn't disappear at all, but you have it there a little bit.
What? This? Look. You see, this is dirty on the in here. It's not. Look, it's not the film. It's just dirty. It needs good cleaning, and that's it. This film has certain maintenance that needs to be done. Okay, so we do more cleaning on the outside just to make sure all this will be. This is inside. This is inside, but this is cleanable. This is also cleanable.
Yeah, that's not,
You know?
that's not about to clean down. Yeah.
What, this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this will.
Yeah.
Look,
this one.
look, look. You see? It disappearing. This is
It's not disappearing.
this is spill of the I don't know, something.
Yeah, nothing. So
Huh?
it's just the air inside.
It's not the air inside.
It is.
Okay, so I just spoke with the lady from the board, and as much as they wanted us to replace the film or remove it for free and refund, she evaluated the job, the film, and she said that she doesn't see any problem with the film. The only problem is that it's just not as look as they expected it to look, or I don't know, it's too opaque. Although Dusted Crystals O2, it lets a lot of light, you still see the shadow of the person behind it, but in some cases you don't. So that's probably the main thing that you should consider when installing a frosted window film on your entrance doors, is will people on the other side see each other, so they won't open the door and hit each other. So that's kind of like a safety concern. Long story short, the lady said there's no problem with you guys. We're gonna think if we want to remove it or we want to replace with something else, and they will give us a call when they will have a decision. But the question about the replacement and refund is out. It's not relevant here. All right, so thank you for watching. This was Andrew, Total Window Service, and let me know what you think about this situation.